Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Jimmy's React. If you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go and subscribe to my YouTube. Make sure you turn off the notification bell for more videos like this. Untouchable have pranked Precious again with a new car he bought for her. Just take a look at how the car is spoiled. Don't forget to comment your thoughts on this video and see what love is doing in this video. Comment, like, share. Please share and comment your thoughts in this video. It's still your boy Jimmy's React. Watch and see Precious reaction. Let's go.
Hello guys, it's your boy Untouchable here. Who they? I'm with. Shut up your mouth. Guys, we want to actually prank Precious based on that car. That car will give her, you understand? So she's trying to go out. She don't tell me, you understand? So how going out now? I don't gather technicians. We go dismantle that. Man, no talk. Just watch. Let's see her reaction, guys. If anybody send me money, don't send money to anybody. They are scammers. Please and please share this video and drop your account number because we are crediting massively. I am in the comment section. Guys, let's go. So that was how Precious came out and she was calling her driver. You understand? You know, even be driver. She said, "Me, escort and go buy something." I said, "Now, wow, she knows how to drive now." So she started going out, but we secretly recording her. She did not know. You understand? Because one surprise her, one shock and see me come out. You know, my manager come out. We say all of us, let's hide and move. That was how we were moving and secretly following them. They did not know. Do you understand me? You get the point now? Yeah, they move, enter. I say, now, wow. They observe them. Oh, we know they know see us. We did on low. You get the point? That was how they entered, and we actually wanted to surprise her because more. Guys, just watch out. Make sure you share this video and drop your account number because we are crediting massively. Share this video, drop your account number because we are crediting massively. Guys, that was how we talk to the security. Please allow us do this ASAP. We send all of them. The people we say, start work immediately. Don't waste time. As you are doing this, do it immediately and don't waste time. That was how everybody be active. Open bonnet. Immediately they open bonnet. ASAP. We hold the spare key. She no. You understand? We started losing things. And that was how we were losing because we no one make she catch us. We go lose more, check whether she don't they come out. You know, say nothing she won't go by. You understand? And it go take her a little time. So we want to, you see, that was how we removed the screen. ASAP, no time. We shifted one side because no time to check time. You get the point now. You understand? Some minutes later, he go back, go hide. They with me for inside car.
Jesus.
You understand?
Precious.
Started coming out.
Precious.
Started coming out, guys, because this thing will surprise them now. Guys, watch out and see if.
Jesus.
If I see our car here, where did they go?
Let's see a Corolla with this one. Come.
Is this where you park?
See we are back car now. Jesus.
If I this
Jesus.
is our car.
Precious, let's car with this one. Which car is it? Now this is our car now.
So we start car for now, you want another car.
See the key. Wait. See the key. Let me car with this.
Jesus.
Hey, God. Precious, our own please.
Who did this guy say?
Oh no. See, come, make me meet this security people. Come. Okay, come. You know who did this thing?
Me, I don't know. I don't know.
What can I be saying? No. Not be security here.
I'm the security, but not me the security car now.
What kind of problem with this one now?
I'm the security of this
What
place.
happened to the car?
I don't know what happened.
Go back. Hey, God.
What happened to
Jesus.
the car?
I don't know what happened.
What do you mean you don't know what happened?
I'm not security.
What did this idiot boy do?
Are you not the security here?
What are you saying?
I'm not the one securing the car. What
What are you doing? What is your duty post? This is the car and you
I
do
don't know
not
what
know.
happened to the car. Please,
What do you mean? What's this idiot saying now? Give my phone, make I call
God,
him.
when this your video, I dare everyone now.
Oh God.
Hey, God. Jesus.
Which kind of nonsense be this one now?
Call
How they
on
do?
touchable.
Oh, my phone know him, but I don't even know what.
Use this one. Call on touchable.
Oh, I'm trying to on the phone.
Let me drive the car, come out.
Oh my God, car, what they just give me now? If I, what is it now?
I'm not
I
doing-
said this is our car.
This is our car now, Precious. I'm
No,
not
the
lying.
red car did that, please.
Precious, hi, God. Call untouchable.
Oh, God.
Hey, God. That one don't finish. Which kind of problem with this one? Which kind of problem with this one? Which kind of problem with this one? Which kind of problem with this one?
When you come back, when you go back, and I was telling that time, park there. You said
We don't even waste time. How come? How come? We don't even waste time.
Park where people park. I see where people park. Their car spoiled. You can't carry car put for you now. See what you don't cost. Then they don't give me win. Oh God.
Hey, God.
Oh. I won't cry.
Call on.
What kind of nonsense is this one now? Can't wait to just give me na. Enemy of progress. Village people don't find me come here. Jesus
Call untouchable.
Christ.
Leave I call untouchable. If I say your number, no people. Call him. Abeg. Call him.
Wait, my try this one first. Calm down.
Jesus.
If they go.
Now to go call the manager for here.
Calm
They
down.
go gas bring this.
Hello, Pastor. Hello. Please, untouchable with you. Oh my God, Jesus. If I have killed me. I told him to park the car where people park their car. If I came to park the car in another place, now I came outside now so that they already remove everything. All the glasses. Now that you just gave
See
me.
where you're talking like if I'm.
If I don't tell you,
it's not from me now.
anything, are you mad? Will you shut
The
up
fact
your
is
mouth?
not from me. Let me see how you come here.
I can't say park for the why you park
I
for
mean, let me know I come
here.
here.
Grace. I don't get that. If I wait with this place, take.
Give me.
Talk to him.
Hello, Pastor. We there for that get that plaza waiting for that estate. Inside that estate, they always go buy something. On that side, we did. They say they come.
Oh, go waiting and don't. I see it don't cost. It don't cost. I don't like this thing. I don't like this thing. I swear to God, I don't like it. I don't like this nonsense. I don't like this nonsense. What they do now?
Hey, God.
Open this thing.
Untouchable will not finish me.
Open this thing first now.
Wait. Hey, God.
What kind of rubbish is this?
It's open. Wait.
Oh my God. Oh Jesus. My heart no dey breathe well. My heart no dey breathe well. Which kind of rubbish is this one? Over here.
See, I'm don't come. Jesus.
My heart no dey breathe well.
Jesus. Boss. Boss, don't be me. We'll park here. We'll go buy something. Enter. Because they come outside. We don't know what's happening.
I told if I need to park
Precious.
the car. That's why if I need to go buy. When I came to park the car here, now
Here was filled up. Here was filled up with cars. Here was filled up. See now, here was filled up with cars. I don't know where. I can't park here now. We come out here because say this kind of thing happen.
If I don't send it, boys, they come do this.
Save my boys.
No.
No.
Park and for there, no green.
Hi, boss.
You
Believe
come
me.
park and for here.
Precious.
Wait. I don't understand.
As in,
This is the car I bought for you. Another car.
If I have sent his boys.
see where we come.
Shut up your mouth. Let me understand what you're saying. Wait, is it my car or another car? Wait, when they prank me?
No be prank, boss. I swear to God, no be prank. We just park this car here. When we come here, it was filled up. I don't know. I don't see chance where I go park. I said no, I park here.
Fine. Fine. Calm down.
I hear you.
Where were you supposed to park this car?
See, there was filled up with cars. So space.
It's a lie.
Precious, I'm not lying, like Precious now. No, no, we are come here.
That we came here, there was space in that place.
Videoing. You have become a...
If I have sent his boys to come and do this thing,
I don't say any of my boys pan Precious.
What of you are putting supposed to go into the market? Are you not supposed to be seated inside the car?
Hey God.
Yes.
Are you not supposed to be seated inside the car?
I want to go something on my own too. I want to buy something for
Oh, you want to
myself.
buy something for your own self?
God, I don't.
Now, when you don't get this thing fixed, that's when you
Touch me, I will slap you.
Hey boss, I beg you. Hey God.
Say now what you do that.
Boss, no.
This car, una carry am, una plan am, una scatter am.
When I can't come
Boss, no. Boss, I don't follow. Boss, I don't follow. Jesus. Precious, why you putting the blame on me now? God. Boss, wait.
Lima!
See what you don't cost. I just say pack this thing for that place. You come back for you. Just see what you don't cost. Come on for road.
Stop pushing me, I beg. Leave me.
God, I'm giving you. I'm just See, I don't know what you guys are planning there. I'm giving you 24 hours. Jesus. Do you hear me?
I did not plan anything.
Precious, I'm giving you 24 hours.
Is it fine?
Shut up your mouth. I am talking to you. Shut up your mouth. I'm giving you 24 hours. Thank God it's a prank. If not, I will have dealt with you.
Boss.
So seriously.
Oh, which guy this one? Precious. Go. Pastor. No verse here. No verse. Hey. Precious.
Leave me.
This camera here. See, I heavy they drop.
Your
Jay.
head no correct. Can you imagine? See these people. If person die for you now, what is
Yes,
not What kind of thing is this one?
Go follow.
Did they pray?
Baby, stop. Precious man fly.
Let's say come on, you get up and fly.